Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to my old best friend update for Chiliz. And this is important. I mean, why not? Why not make a video on bloody Chiliz? Right now Chiliz is looking amazing. FIFA is around the corner. In maybe 90 days FIFA is going to start, the biggest football event that actually happens after every 4 years. Now the thing is, this is looking pretty awesome. Okay, we do have this bull cross previously, and ever since that bull cross, actually Chiliz has been moving up, coming down, and actually respecting the 10 and the 20 EMA. So that's pretty awesome right now. I was actually looking to trade Chiliz on this 4-hour time frame, but it never actually gave me any entry point or any retest of some sort. So this is what happened right here. This was what I was looking for, and you did have this little bit of a pattern here that broke out and that actually went to the upside. So my take about it is that this was a technical target from there to there, and the technical target probably might have been already met. Now there is one more thing to talk about, and that is on the daily. Right now the daily looks really bullish to me. Okay, really bullish. And on the weekly as well is something else that I want to talk about. So first of all, these patterns that you see here, this right here, the 3 black crows, these 3 red candles, this inverted hammer in the middle, and that one big green candle is known as a bullish ladder bottom. So let's actually go to Google and let me show you how it looks like, and that's what I'm gonna tell you. Bullish ladder bottom right there, and this is the pattern that I want to show you. Okay, so that pattern is very similar to what you see with Chiliz at this point in time. Okay, so this is known as bullish ladder bottom. This one actually is a very clear image. You have those 3 red candles back to back, that inverted hammer, and then a 1 green candle. So that pretty much sums up Chiliz. Now if you ever see Chiliz coming down to lose 0.1790, then that's actually going to invalidate the bullish the bullish ladder bottom at the moment. So right now there's one place of resistance that you're breaking out of, and that's going to be this place right over there, near 0.2248. The reason is because that was your last resistance. You went to the downside and you're actually trying to break it out. But to me, guys, there could be a small possible scenario where you see Chiliz actually trying to come down, and that's going to be this possibility that it actually get rejected here, comes down to retest this level, which is 0.1995. If it does come down here, I might enter it, because by the end of the day the stop loss is still down at 0.179. so there are good chances that you see you see Chiliz coming down to that line, which is 0.1997. and if I dive into the daily time frame again, on the EMAs, that could actually be the 10 EMA. Okay, so you can see where the 10 EMA really is, and every time you have seen Chiliz, it actually likes to go move up, come down, move up, come down to the 10, move up, come down to the 10, move up again, fall back to the 10, right? So if you're falling back to the 10, that's exactly where you broke out of and you haven't retested, and that's where the 10 EMA also lies. That could offer an amazing entry opportunity, and then boom, finally move up to the upside. Now there's one more pattern that I want to talk about on the weekly time frame, and this is super awesome on the weekly, because on how I do see the history of Chiliz as well. So let's remove all the drawings right here and let's zoom out of everything, and Chiliz can actually go even 200% move to the upside if the following happens. So the last time that you had it, this was the pattern that we had, right? So that was the rounded bottom right here, and almost a cup and handle, and then you boom, absolutely exploded to the upside, and you can see how huge the explosion was. And remember, FIFA is around the corner, so this can happen. And the thing is that you do have that rounded bottom right here, and you might end up making that cup and handle like that and then shoot to the moon. Okay, absolutely take off. And if you ever do something like that on the weekly, then my friend, you're looking for this one to go from from this price point to that level. So if you're going to break out of it, just look, this is going to be your next technical target up to 0.92, and that's actually very possible. I'm actually an investor in Chiliz, by the way, but for a long time now, and the thing is that you might be looking for 209% to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Chiliz. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, office.